everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout today, and I'm going to scrapbook this darling picture of my granddaughter and my youngest grandson. So I'm going to start out using that blue kind of composition looking paper. Everything from this on this layout is from the Chamel main character energy collection, except for a couple things, and I'll tell you where that is. It'll be pretty apparent. So that is the No Troubles paper. I'm putting it on a background of this beautiful camera acetate or vellum, not vellum, not acetate. And this is foil accents on vellum is what it's called, from main character energy. I added that 3x4 journaling card. It's just a miscellaneous one I have in my journaling card box where I keep them. I'm not exactly sure where that's from. Then I'm adding in, I added in on the bottom right that three-dimensional camera sticker, and that is from the dimensional stickers from the Chamel main character energy collection. All right, so I'm going to add that in. And then I have that sticker, and that is from the sticker sheet that goes with the collection. I believe it's 6x12 if I remember correctly. But that again is main character energy, which is an unusual title. I mean, I kind of get it. I heard her explain it, but that is a mouthful. All right, so when you stick vellum down, create your layout over the top of it, and then add your background paper. That's just a piece of white cardstock from Coordinations. It's a bright white cardstock. So that way then you know exactly where you can glue, at least to get the main part of it down. I do find that it helps to create it on top of the white cardstock so that it's easy to see. Otherwise I would have seen my matte background. There's the 6x12 sticker sheet. So I'm looking to see if there's anything else that I might want to use here. I'm trying to figure out, I'm looking for something on the top left, either over the card or over the top of the photo. I'm not sure exactly how that's going to work. So I'm adding in that gold arrow sticker there from the sticker sheet, 6x12 sticker sheet. And then I decide, you know what, before I decide what I'm going to put on top, what I'm going to do for embellishment on the top left of this layout, I probably need to figure out where I'm putting the title. And I wanted to call it Sneaky. This is the glitter alpha from main character energy, which it's the Fitzgerald alpha in this awesome Fitzgerald alpha. It's so narrow you can put it in a really small space like this. So then the reason this is called Sneaky is because this is at the start of summer this year, and he had been going to a 3K program there. She was going to a different school but switched to a summer program there, and he knew she was there, so he snuck over to her classroom without his teacher realizing what he had done. So very sneaky boy, but he loves his siblings for sure. So I just think it's so cute. And then somebody took a picture of them because he snuck over. I think it must have been her teacher. So anyway, all right. So then I am looking again at that that sticker sheet, and I found this rainbow, and it's a story about kids and rainbows and that kind of stuff. So I thought I would add that in the top left there. And then I'm thinking about using, Chamel has this sheet with enamel dots and some jewels and buttons, and so I decided to use buttons. So I have one there with a rainbow on it to bring out some of the blue, and then on the bottom I have one that says "so cool." In the end, into these clusters, the two clusters, I'm going to add the asterisks from the alphabet. You won't see that because I do it afterwards. I just decided it needed something a little bit more, so I did that then. These the wood buttons and the enamel dots are both from the embellishment. It's called embellishments collection pack, and I'm using 3 of each. And it's kind of like the little bit of scatterings that Shamel does. I kind of did a nod to that in this particular layout there. And then lastly, I did add a little puffy sticker that says True Story on the top there in that top collection right there. Hope you guys are all well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.